I've made a mistake and I should really have known better because I'm a chemistry teacher, so I should really know not to store my perfumes on my windowsill because now they don't smell the same. So let's talk about the chemistry of why. Perfumes are made up of molecules that just happen to have nice aromas. And a lot of these molecules tend to be molecules that are known as terpenes and esters. These terpene molecules you can see up here, they're just made up of carbons and hydrogens, but they tend to have these nice little ring structures in them. Esters are these types of molecules here, where you have what's known as an ester link. So that's this arrangement here where you have a carbon with a double bonded oxygen and another single bonded oxygen next to it as well. These molecules, one, tend to have nice aromas, but also two, they tend to evaporate quite easily, which makes them easy to smell. The problem is though, is that these molecules will undergo chemical reactions. And when they undergo chemical reactions, they change in their molecular structure, so then they end up changing in their smell. Usually these reactions happen when the perfume is exposed to oxygen, so that's why basically all perfumes do have an expiry date, because when they're exposed to oxygen, they undergo a reaction called oxidation. As you can see, chemists are very imaginative when naming reactions. Terpene molecules tend to have nice sweet smells, but when they're oxidized, they end up forming molecules called terpenoids, which tend to have spicier smells. So if you leave your sweet, flowery perfume sitting, eventually might end up smelling a bit more spicy or musky as time goes on, the more it becomes oxidized. The problem with sitting the perfumes in direct sunlight is that they then get hot, which makes these reactions happen more quickly. So when your bottles tell you to store them in a cool, dry place, this is because they're trying to prevent any of these reactions happening faster than they're going to happen already. Because the cool place keeps the temperature lower, which means all of these reactions happen slower. And the dry place is because water, as well as oxygen, can also cause extra chemical reactions that cause your molecules to break down, which you obviously don't want. So if you're wondering why your perfume changes over time or why you're told to store stuff in a cool, dry place, now you know the chemistry behind it. Bye!